Hi, I'm Kimberly from CSAV Systems. We're here visiting our friends at King's corporate headquarters, where we've installed some of our technology, not only in their corporate boardroom, but in 25 of their stores, all the way from Connecticut to Virginia. But we'll get to that later. For now, let's head into the boardroom and see some of our work. We are now here in King's corporate boardroom, where we have installed and will continue to provide service for all their audiovisual needs. And now we're in our next King's Supermarket location, this time in the cooking school. We've installed a unique camera system designed here to feature the most important person in the room, the chef.
We're here at King's where inspiration strikes, and inspiration strikes both here in the studio as well as out in the store. CSAV Systems is an excellent partner, and we love that our parents are comfortable leaving their children in our studio while they shop. They can view them on any number of the cameras that we have here in the store, and it really provides an excellent entertainment vehicle both within the studio and out on the floor. We love it. We love it. The children love it in the studio. The adults love it from an instructional standpoint, and we find that our partnership, whatever we need, you're here for us. Thank you, CSAV Systems. You're an outstanding partner to King's.
Thanks so much for joining us today as we visited our friends at King's. We hope you had a great time, and I look forward to seeing you on our next technology adventure.